Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
In keeping with his inauguration day promise to transform the oil city of Warri and give it a facelift, the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, last week approved the construction of 3 flyovers and road expansions within Warri and its environs. According to the governor, his social contract with Deltans, which is the MORE agenda, is geared towards bringing rapid infrastructure renewal and economic prosperity to the state and its citizens.
Government will commence efforts at giving Warri and its environs a total facelift.
Governor Sheriff Oborevwori, on his inauguration day, the 29th of May 2023, promising Deltans once again of his resolve to change the face of the city of Warri. Without hesitation, Governor Oborevwori had since commenced several activities aimed at fulfilling his promise. 3 weeks ago, Governor Oborevwori and his Executive Council approved the reconstruction of the Lower and Upper Erejua roads, a CC road, as well as the rehabilitation of the failed section of PTI road all around Warri axis of the state. Last week, the State Executive Council, under the leadership of Right Honorable Oborevwori, again approved the sum of 79 billion naira to be paid to Julius Berger Nigerian PLC for the construction of 3 flyovers and road expansion within Warri and its environs. These include a flyover bridge at the popular NRM Junction, PTI Junction, and the DSC roundabout along the Ephraim Patani Road, while road expansion and improvement work would be on the section of the DSC NPA Expressway from Ephraim roundabout to the DSC roundabout. The project would not just ease the burden of commuters around Warri axis, but will provide socio-economic gains to the people of Warri and Delta State at large. Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Works, Engineer Fred Edafiogo, briefed the press after the approval.
The expansion and reconstruction of the portion of the DSC Expressway from Ephraim roundabout to the DSC roundabout, and the clover leaf and the pedestrian bridges and all the other works, the 3 other flyovers enumerated, when completed, will ease travel within the Warri Ephraim megalopolis. The 4 projects have a duration of 27 months for completion, and it is expected that it will be completed by December 2025.
Since the 6th of this month, Governor Oborevwori has been at different locations in the state commissioning projects his administration inherited and completed from the immediate past government as part of activities marking his 100 days in office. Last week, the governor was at Isoko South local government area to commission the Okpolo Enwe Uweru Road, and later in the Isoko North local government area to commission several projects at the Delta State University of Science and Technology, Ozoro. The projects include an administrative building, Vice Chancellor's Lodge, Staff School Building, University Guest House, Squash Court, and 2 kilometers of interlock concrete road in the university. Speaking at the event, Governor Oborevwori says the university system has on its shoulders the responsibility to help students acquire practical skills to solve problems in the society.
For education to remain meaningful and impactful, it must also undertake research that helps society to develop in real time lasting solutions to the challenges of urban decay, portable water supply, alternative energy sources, public transport network, and waste treatment and management.
Meanwhile, the Federal House of Representatives Ad Hoc Committee on Non-Remittance of the National Housing Fund and its utilization, led by Honorable Dachum Bagos, visited Governor Oborevwori recently at Government House, Asaba. The delegation says they were in the state in recognition of the commendable effort of Delta State in meeting its National Housing Fund contribution since inception. Governor Oborevwori promised that his administration, despite the financial challenges, will continue to provide critical infrastructure across the state to further boost the quality of life of all Deltans.
Inside the Niger Delta,